Have you ever wondered what our planet looked like before the first trees appeared? Well, if you have, you're not alone. This is a question that has intrigued scientists for quite some time. Recent discoveries are shedding new light on this long-lost chapter of Earth's history. What we do know is that around 420 million years ago, during the late Devonian period, Earth's land masses were covered in giant fungi. These fungi, known as prototaxites, were the dominant form of life on land, and their presence had a profound impact on the development of terrestrial ecosystems. However, it wasn't until recently that researchers were able to determine what exactly these organisms were and how they functioned. To understand the significance of this discovery, let's take a step back in time. Prior to the emergence of trees, giant fungi known as prototaxites thrived on land. These fascinating creatures played a crucial role in shaping the early terrestrial ecosystems, and their impact is still felt today. The term prototaxites was first coined in 1867 by the Scottish botanist William Henry Harvey to describe these mysterious organisms. Initially, paleobotanists believed that prototaxites were the remains of ancient trees, but further studies revealed that this was not the case. Instead, research conducted at the University of Chicago has conclusively demonstrated that these fascinating organisms were, in fact, giant fungi. But why were these fungi so significant? You might be wondering what's so amazing about some old fungi? Well, the answer lies in their sheer size. These gigantic fungi could grow up to 10 meters tall and 1 meter wide, resembling enormous tree trunks. They possessed a complex network of thread-like structures known as hyphae, which extended deep into the soil. This allowed them to absorb nutrients and water, providing them with the sustenance they needed to grow. Now you might be thinking, big deal, right? Fungi can be pretty creepy. But the significance of these giant fungi lies in their ecological impact. During the time they dominated the landscape, prototaxites were the top predators, sitting at the apex of the food chain. Their presence had a profound impact on the development of terrestrial ecosystems, and their influence is still felt today. These fungi were so widespread that they could be found on every continent on Earth, and their fossils have been discovered in places as far-flung as Australia. China, France, Germany, Iran, Israel, Norway, Poland, Spain, Sweden, and the United Kingdom. But how did these giant fungi reproduce? The answer may surprise you. Unlike their modern-day counterparts, which primarily reproduce through spores, prototaxites relied on a different method. Instead of relying on wind or water to disperse their spores, these fungi produce structures known as stromata, which release their spores directly into the air. This allowed them to control the timing and location of their reproduction, giving them a significant advantage over other organisms. The discovery of these giant fungi has raised many questions about the evolution of life on Earth. How did they obtain their nutrition? What role did they play in the ecosystem? And how did they impact the development of terrestrial life? Well, we may never have all the answers. The discovery of these amazing organisms has provided us with a unique window into the past. It's a reminder of just how much our planet has changed over time and the incredible diversity of life that has existed on Earth. As we continue to explore our world, we never know what amazing discoveries we might make. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll uncover even more secrets of the giant fungi that once ruled our planet. So keep your eyes open and your mind curious, because you never know what wonders await us. Just remember, it's not just about the destination, it's also about the journey. So enjoy the ride and embrace the unknown, because that's where the real adventure lies. So what do you think about this amazing discovery? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe Mist Hex for more such amazing content.